In this video, we're diving into how to store and organize passwords by category or project. Whether you're managing personal accounts, work-related credentials, or keeping track of different projects, organizing passwords effectively can save you time and prevent headaches. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a special tip that'll make this process even easier for you. The first step is to categorize your passwords. Instead of just throwing everything into one big pile, group them by categories that make sense to you. For example, you could have categories like personal, work, shopping, banking, or even specific projects. This makes it easier to find what you need when you need it. Next, within each category, organize your passwords based on frequency of use. Prioritize the passwords you use most often at the top, and make sure they're easily accessible. This way, you can avoid having to dig through a long list just to log into your most important accounts. For those working on multiple projects, it's a great idea to create a dedicated project folder in your password manager. Each folder can house the passwords related to that specific project. This way, you don't have to worry about mixing personal passwords with business or project-related ones. Keeping them separate helps avoid confusion and maintain security. When organizing your passwords, it's crucial to choose the right password manager. We've tested a few of the most popular software solutions, and I'll share with you the one that works best for this specific task. It has easy categorization options and the ability to tag passwords for different projects. The software we'll be using today makes the process seamless and simple, and it's available with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. You can grab that in the description below. Once you've categorized everything, make sure you're using strong, unique passwords for each account. A good password manager will generate strong passwords for you and store them securely. It's also a good idea to regularly review your categories and projects, making adjustments as your needs change. For example, as you start new projects, add new categories or folders to keep things organized. As you work through organizing your passwords, make sure to back them up. You never know when a tech issue might come up, and having a backup ensures that you won't lose access to any important credentials. To wrap it all up, the key takeaway here is that organizing your passwords by category or project makes it easier to manage and access them securely. Whether you're working on one project or many, a solid categorization system is crucial. Prioritize your most frequently used accounts, keep personal and work-related passwords separate, and take advantage of a password manager to streamline the process. Remember, the software we're using today is available with a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check out the description below. If you've learned something today, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more quick tips like this one.